making paesh. First, you warm some milk up. Then we are going to add rice and sugar. And then for smell, we are going to either add bay leaves or cardamom seeds. Now I'm going to add some more milk. Now I'm adding bay leaves to the milk.
No, it's not mine.
And now I'm adding some cardamom seed, choto elach. Now I'm going to add dried raisin or kismis and some pistachio. And I'm going to add some rice. Now I'm going to add sugar to the paesh to make it sweet. When we put sugar in, when the volume of the paesh has gone down to half of the size as what we started with.